Alright. That 1036, having trouble with getting it to feed properly, so we're going to ignore that for a second and take a look at a Kenmore 1341, I think. This is a machine from the refugee group. Yeah, 158-13410. And this machine, I was told they tested it, and it does it straight and zigzag, but it doesn't select any other stitches. So it's supposed to have a darning so it does come loose there. It's supposed to have this blind stitch, darning, and okay, and it's not switching between to do those, so it's not selecting on the cam stack. So I'm going to look at our cam here. Alright, let me move the camera and we'll look at this cam selection here. Alright. So, this 1341, this bracket here is the slider and the cam follower to move across the 3 cams for the 3 stitches. And you see the bar here moves this spring arm that's supposed to slide this follower across, and this follower is stuck. It rides on a slide down here that is all gummed up, and as you can see when I push on it with my screwdriver, it slides over, but now it won't move again. So I'm going to actually get a bit of sewing machine oil here and put that on this slide, and then we're going to reach in and pull it back and forth a little bit, and then get some fresh oil in there. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. There we go. And now that it's loose on this side, we're gonna put some oil on that side. Pull this back. Work it some more. There we go. And now, there we are. That cam selector is moving back and forth. Okay. That should result in being able to access all 3 of these stitches now. Alright, because the refugee group lady said that she had this machine working, it just wasn't changing stitches, I'm not going to do a full stitch test. She's got a test cloth here. I'm just going to check Okay, we are on a triple stitch, maximum width, stitch length 6, Okay, 6. So it should be doing our... Okay, it is going up and down. 1, 2, 3 across, forward only. So this is the selection for, we should get backwards travel for a box stitch. Yep, okay, and there's, you can see our feet here. They go forward and then they go backwards and then they go forward twice and then they go backwards once. All right, cool. So that is both of those stitches on that cam. We'll flip it over here. This should be doing a blind hem. So it's gonna, well, oh, the slider's stuck again. So I'm gonna have to wriggle it a bunch more. Okay. Got it to move to the blind hem. So now it should go. Alright, that's blind hem. Okay, and it's getting a forward backward motion there. And now wriggle this some more here. Okay. And this should get us a plain, yep, plain zigzag. And then, yep, our forward backward. Okay. I think, and she said she lubricated this machine when she was testing it and then discovered that the stitches weren't selecting properly. So we'll wiggle this a bit more and call this machine ready to go.